Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're doing another episode of checking out one of your guys' solar systems. So yeah, we've got two systems today from Meta Cool Kid, so yeah, massive thanks to him for sending those in. If you guys want to send in your own systems, make sure to join my Discord server and upload them there, because that's the easiest place to do it for everyone to see them and all that. So yeah, if you want to do that, then go ahead. But yeah, today we've got two from Meta Cool Kid. But before we start, guys, I want to say a massive thank you as we hit, we're almost at 5,800 now. We're over halfway there. So, yeah, massive thanks to that. And, yeah, it's going to be close getting the 6,000 before the end of the year. It is crazy close. But, yeah, such a massive thank you to everyone who is subscribing, everyone who continues to come back every day for the videos. Just a massive thanks to you guys. It's absolutely amazing. And, yeah, let's begin. So, today, yeah, like I said, we got two from Meta Cool Kid. So the first system we'll be checking out is the HD28 Wasp system. So let's go ahead and search that up. So HD28 Wasp system, here we go. Alright, let's see what we have here. So yeah, a lot of these were uploaded quite a while ago. It just takes time to get around to doing these. But yeah, these are uploaded. Let me look. Oh, it's got a description. This was uploaded on in the 25th of November. So you can see it's almost taken me a month to get around to it. That's how many ones we have. But yeah, here we go. So pretty interesting colour choices I'm seeing here. I like that yellow one there. Alright, so the HD28 Wasp system, it's a system with the largest number of stars, coming in at 6 stars, okay? The stars are stable because scientists have been studying it for thousands of years and it hasn't supernovaed yet. So in this simulation you can see all the stars and the habitable zones and orbits for the stars. Some of the orbits are sloppy and others are perfect. No system can feel perfect like that stupid frozen glitch. Apparently that's not been fixed in this latest update as well, so that's really annoying. So if you remove all the planets and rings and speed it up, you will see none of the stars collide. They just chill and orbit there, partner in the middle. Okay, that's cool. The big star known as HD28 Wasp A is the main star or the primary star, and there is a small wasp with low mass right next to it known as HD28 Wasp B, and there's more. So there's a Wasp C, different star you can see from a band. No, not a planetary ring, but a band of hot rocky planets. Okay, there are two rocky planets that are on fire and are shrinking 1 centimeter a year. That's pretty cool. Eventually they will shrink and become dwarf planets and maybe asteroids, depending on how old the star is. So have fun, blow stuff up, not literally. Alright, so let's see what we have got in this system here. So, oh, I'm clicking done. Alright, so, oh my, okay, this is quite big then. Oh my. Alright, so I guess we'll start in the middle then with this enormous star here. Jeez. Right, so it's got 4 masses. It's got all these like mini solar systems around it and this massive ring. Oh. Alright, so here it is here. So, how large is this thing? Is it 1 AU in size? Oh, 0.2 AU. Okay. So this star must be really close to it then. Right, so it's 1200 as well. That's pretty big though. Not the biggest, but yeah, pretty big. So there's no planets orbiting that, I'm assuming. So yeah, we'll just go straight to the first star around it. So this is Wasp B. Alright, so we've got some planets here. Oh, this looks like a Saturn. Yeah, it is a Saturn. There we go. So we've got a Saturn in here. So excuse me, but I'm not going to read out those names because that is a lot of numbers, and we'll be here all day. So yeah, we've got yeah, this one here. So this is C, planet C. Right, and then that's the only one orbiting this star there. Okay, so moving on to the next star, which would be, you'd think it'd be that one with that crazy orbit. Yeah, we'll just go to this one though. So this is a burning up rocky planet. Oh, so this is a planet around that star then, because it's not orbiting the other stars. So yeah, we've got this one here, a hot, fiery world, as he did say in that message there. So yeah, 8 masses of Earth. All right, then moving on to the next star. Rightio. Okay, so we've got a few planets around here. This is nice and simple. It's not like overly complex with like hundreds of objects. So, right, we've got some objects here. So Wasp CB. So it's got a few little asteroids around it as well. So there they are, just nothing there. So looking pretty hot indeed. So there is that one. Right, then we've got Wasp CA. Okay, so this one's cooled down. Looks very, I think that's the same as the previous one. Oh, it's the new... Oh, these are the new rocky gas giant, or gas rockies, I guess, or whatever you want to call them. The gas giants with the atmospheres, but there's no atmosphere here because it's too hot. But it's one of those objects. So yeah, it's a gas giant, but it actually has all the lava on it, like a rocky planet would have. So that's quite a cool look to it there. So yeah, there's that one. Really, really cool. Yeah. So yeah, I was wondering to myself, that does look a little. I could just see through it there in this little section here. It doesn't look like a normal rocky planet, but yeah, it's one of those gas giant ones. So yeah, there is that one. Then we have this one over here. Oh, and I've seen this one before. I think I have a save of this gas giant there. But yeah, this is a nice gas giant with a blue the white and then the grey. I like that one. I've seen that before as well. That's really cool. Then we got, oh, we have a Westeros Earth here. That really gas giant glitched out Earth from a really old version of Universe Sandbox. So yeah, we've got this one here. Really, really cool. So yeah, I've got a save of that as well. Wasp CCA. Oh, this is very dark, isn't it? Oh, it's a Venus. You can see underneath. Is that a Venus or a moon? Oh, is that a moon? Oh, no, that's Mercury. That's Mercury. It's a tinted Mercury. So, yeah, there it is there. So, it's a tinted green Mercury. So, that's pretty cool, actually. It's really dark, though. The atmosphere on that needs to be changed to make it a little brighter. So, that got the brown, the regular brown atmosphere on it, looks like. But, yeah, it looks really cool nonetheless there. So, there are all of those. Yeah, that star is immensely crazy with how large it is. Oh, and look at this. Oh, I've never seen this before. Green and purple banded gas giant. I'm going to save that. I like collecting these. So, yeah, that is pretty cool. But yeah, it's really cool to have all of these in one big simulation, all of these banded ones. But I've never seen this before. This is new. I've never seen that. So yeah, it's like a dark, like a dark sort of magenta purple with the green. That looks really cool. Yeah, I've never seen that before. That's really nice. Oh wait, is there one more as well? We've got. Oh no, we did that one. Right, so moving on. Got Wasp F now. All right, so let's go over here. Oh, so this is where we started when we loaded in. All right, so. Oh, and here's got one of the other rainbow ones. And now, I've seen this one before. So if I go into my... Let's see, if I go into my ad bar. Okay. I'm pretty sure I have this one. So, yeah, I've got quite a lot of banded ones. Let me just see. I've also been organising a lot of stuff, but... Yeah, I'm not going to show you those just yet, because they are for a future video. And look how cool that looks. I mean, look at that. It is so amazing how well these look. So we're going to load these in. So I've got that one there. So I've got the new one. Yeah, there's the purple planet we saw earlier. Is it this one here? Rainbow Glitch. I think it's this one. Yeah, there we go. I do have a copy of it. There you go. So that's looking pretty cool. Actually, are they the same or are they slightly different? Is it just because it's bigger it may look slightly different? Oh, no, they are different. Look, you can see slightly... They are similar but different. You can see the big red band on it. That dark red band on here is different on this one. Like, it's smaller. So they are. There's two different copies. They're very similar, but they are slightly different where the clouds are. So, yeah, pretty cool indeed there. So, there we go. Cool. Very nice. I'll save that one. Why not? Yeah, collecting these is really cool. So, save. There we go. Cool. So, there's that. And it's also got a few moons around it. There we go. Alright, looking good. Right, so next up we've got Bonnet there. It's just a little asteroid. Then we've got this yellow one. Oh, damn. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's one of those crazy bumblebee ones. Now, that looks amazing. That is really cool. Damn, look at the bands on that. I mean, look at all this. Look at all of these different colours. That is so cool. So, yeah, that looks really nice. And it looks quite realistic as well, I have to say. That does look like a real gas giant. We need a Jupiter. We need someone to make a Jupiter like this. That is... what I want to see. If you guys want to make something that'll definitely make me look, or definitely, or if you guys want to make something that I'll definitely like, definitely make a Jupiter like this, because damn, it would look amazing if you got all the colours and stuff correct. Like, damn, yeah, we need a Jupiter version of this. That'd be so cool. So yeah, that is that. Really like that. So right, next up we've got Wasp FC, and another rainbow one. Damn, Mr. Cool Kid loves the rainbow. Oh my, look at the bands on this. Look at this. Jeez, man, that is crazy. So I'll save that as well. We're getting tons of them here. Jeez, there's so many banded gas giants. Alright, and then the last one we have... Ooh, look at this. Is this one of those... Has that got land underneath it, or is it one of the... Oh, no, it is a rocky planet. Okay, it's not one of the new breed of planets then. But yeah, that is looking... That is a nice pony pink coloured one there. And it's all getting like a red sort of glow to it due to the star it's orbiting there. Pretty cool view all of this. You can see the other planets around as well. It's got a few moons, some asteroids. Really cool. I'm really liking the objects in the system. So yeah, I've got all those. Alright, moving on. Okay, so that's all of those ones done. Right, so next up we've got E, star E. So it's in the red dwarf. Okay, so here we go. Oh, and this is the regular Bumblebee. So this is what he made his... Or I'm guessing this is what he based his... crazy banded one we just saw off. You can see the colour scheme and that's quite similar. I definitely have that one saved. Alright. And we've got... Oh, whoa. What is this? How come it's just complete... Like, we can't... That's a massive shadow on it. That's pretty cool. Look at that. But that's weird, though, because this one, like, the sort... Like... Look at the images. You see, look. That one instantly goes dark. Like, you can see we can't see the back of it. But with these ones, it slowly gets darker and you can almost see the back. What is up with this? Like, can you see the image? Like, no matter how I turn it, it's still just a massive black area there. That is really weird. What makes it do that? Is it this? Is it that that's doing it? I have no idea. What if I turn all the atmosphere off? Is that? Oh, it is the atmosphere. It does it. Look. Wow, that atmosphere is weird. Look at that. You can sort of see behind. Look at this. What is with this shadow here? Is it just the way the stars are? I mean, it's really, really weird. Like, look how the atmosphere only shows on, like, behind here. There's no atmosphere at all. That's really weird. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that, I don't think. Huh. It's because it's probably just due to the amount of stars in here. Obviously, the more stars you add to a system, the more weird the planets look sometimes. So I'm assuming that's why. So, yeah, there we got all of those. Alright, now we've got another planet here. An Earth-like planet. So, there we go. That moon is enormous. Look how big that moon is. Jeez. That's pretty close. And then we've got another big moon. How the hell does this work? How do these not collide? That is crazy how he's managed to get that to work. Wait, hang on, wait. Oh, I almost thought it had more mass. But no, it's moons, not Earths. That's a nice looking object as well there. Oh, it's that tinted Venus. Look, you can see there. If you turn that off, that's a green Venus. The tinted Venus. That's pretty cool. Seen a few of those around before as well. So yeah, really, really cool planets in there. Right, and then lastly we've got Star G. So let's see what we got around here. So we got this planet to start off with there. So it's another tinted object, as you can see. I'm pretty sure that's tinted. Right, then we have this one again. Oh, another one of those yellow bumblebee ones. So there is that. Right, then we have this one. Oh, another banded one. Damn, another one. That's a nice mix, like an indigo purple with a cyan and a white colour scheme. That is really cool. Yeah, I'm definitely going to collect these. These are really cool to have saved. I never really use them. I just like to have them in my list, to be honest. Right, there we go. Wasp GC. Okay, so this one's got a lot of asteroids around it as well. Nice additions, all of those. Right, next up. Ooh, oh, is this a blue one? Oh, look at that. I don't think I've seen this one before either. Oh, that looks cool. That is really cool. Damn, there's so many ones I've collected here. Oh, and there's another one as well. Oh, a cyan and white one. Oh, that's looking really nice as well. Good thing they're all named like Wasp and HD. That means they should all appear together in the list there. But they are cool. I really like these. Well done. If you made all of these. Because I have seen a few of these before, so I'm assuming you haven't made all of these. But some of these I have never seen before, so you probably have made these. But yeah, I'm not sure if you've made all of them, because I have seen some of these before. But yeah, I've seen this one before, I'm pretty sure. I definitely have a save of that somewhere. But that's really cool as well. It reminds me of like an ice cream with loads of different flavours in it, or like stuff. I really like that like dark area at the bottom. That's really mysterious, like a black spot on it, almost. Very, very menacing look. Now, can I see my There's the line planets. That's all the gas giants. I definitely have this one. Oh, so many banded planets. They're so cool. Where is it? I've got all these. Yeah, I'm getting them all in a big list here. All these banded planets. That's so cool. So, where are they? I'm not sure. Crazy band. Is it up here? I'm not sure where they are. I'm sure I have this one saved somewhere. I guess I'll save it again just in case. I'm sure I've seen this before. I have no idea where it's gone then, but yeah, that is a nice looking object as well. And it's got another one around it. Oh my god, how many of these are there? Jeez, this is mental. There's so many. This is crazy. I'm just saving all of these. Damn. Yeah, I definitely want to collect all these. These are really cool. So, there we go. Maybe we should just make a solar system just of banded planets. Maybe I could do that of all the ones I've collected from all of you guys, because yeah, these are pretty cool. Right, so there we go. All right. Looking awesome. I really like some of the ones in here. But yeah, I think that is it for... Yeah, that's it for this system. So yeah, really, really nice collection of objects in here. Like, damn, there's some good ones. So there we go. That is so cool. So, damn, there's... Look at all this. So there's all the stars. But then look at all these banded gas giants. Like, look at all this. Damn, picking a favourite though. Oh, I really do like this one. This one looks almost realistic with the way it looks. I really like how this yellow and black one looks, not just because of the color, but I just think it looks really realistic with like the way the bands look. I think that looks really good. That is my favorite, 100%. That is definitely the best gas giant, if you ask me. The other ones are all amazing as well, don't get me wrong, but yeah, that is 100% the best one. Now, best rocky planet, I'm not sure. This one is really weird. Like, look at that atmosphere. Yeah, best rocky, I'm not sure, because it's not really... This system's not really about Rockies, is it? It's mostly all about... The main star of the show is the big gas giants, all of the crazy ones. Yeah, I'd just stick with that. So that's my favourite planet in the whole system. It's definitely that crazy yellow banded one. That it looks amazing. So yeah, there it is there. That is really cool. So yeah, well done on that first system. But now let's move into the next system. So the next system is the... So that was the H21. So the next one is the J Wasp system. So this one here. So the J Wasp 2134. Alright, so more reading. Got a lot of reading here. Okay, so that's all of it though, so it's not like a massive crazy thing. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. So the J Wasp 2134 system is a system with a regular star and a brown dwarf. This system was kind of confusing for astronomers to figure out the orbits because they are almost all the same orbits. The brown dwarf is causing all of the destruction and madness. Yeah, they do look pretty crazy, all of these. So long ago, all the gas giants were in the same orbit, but when they collided, the brown dwarf formed next to the young star, ripping apart all of the asteroids and planets that came into contact with it, causing all the planets to scatter, and some moons may have life. We'll see, as thrown all over the place, causing rings to form and moons around the planet. Some ice worlds, some with life, and some on fire. Some with weird storms like hurricanes, 3 times the size of Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Oh, very interesting. An atmosphere with different colours. In this system, it's alive with ring particles smashing into each other. Take E, for example, with its 4 asteroids finding a place in the rings. Okay, this would be quite interesting. And maybe the planet with the most moons, since the system is still young. The rings will disappear in 1 billion years before turning into moons. Over 100 moons in here. Oh, dang. Okay, of course, the brown dwarf, that causes everything, will take them. There are new planets that have been discovered, like frozen gas giants beyond the inner planets. So have fun at your will. The system is still alive. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. Doesn't seem very laggy for a planet or a simulation with that many moons. But, right, so yeah, here is the start. So there it is there. Pretty basic red dwarf, orange dwarf sort of stats there. Alright, so first planet, we have another bumblebee. This is the third one of the video now, but yeah, still looks amazing nonetheless. So there it is there. Right, then we have the next planet. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's an interesting atmosphere, isn't it? Like, it's more of a white colour here, but when you get to like the darker sides, it goes yellow. It's sort of like the cream coloured atmosphere templates I have, but that's a pretty cool first planet. It's like a scorched sort of desert. Is that what that reminds me of? So yeah, there it is there. That's a pretty cool view of the planet from this asteroid as well. So there is that. Really, I like that. So where are we heading next? I'm guessing this is the next one, since it is sort of does go in closer. But look at the bands on that. What? It almost looks like there's no bands at all, but look at this thing. What? How many bands is that? Metacool Kid, let us know. How many bands are on that? I mean, look, they're like all pixels. Oh my god, look at all this. That's a lot of colour. I mean, it almost looks like a normal, like from a distance, right? Let's put it next to a white planet quickly. Just as a comparison, right? Let's look at this, right? White. So, there we go. Turn off edit mode. I don't want edit mode on. Okay, so white gas. There we go, that's what I need. So I'm just going to put it there. If I can put it there, alright? So it's a white gas giant. If you zoom out from it for a certain distance, and you have that there, I wouldn't really assume that's got bands on it unless you get closer where you can start to see the like all the pixels show up. But it almost makes your eyes go funny looking at that because of all the different colours. Like, that is so crazy. Yeah, it does sort of make your eyes go weird, like all of the different colours. But when you get closer, you can really see all these different colours are making your eyes go all funny. I mean, look at all this. This is... Oh, God. Oh! But yeah, all of it, look at this. It's like a hypnotising sort of thing, isn't it? Like, this is cool, though. Look at this. All the detail in these clouds, and it goes on for a long distance. I mean, look at all this. It's like an infinite. This is really cool. How many bands is that? This has got to be one of the most crazy bands I've ever seen, I think, in one of these systems. That is crazy. I'm really glad I stumbled on these systems, because these are cool. I mean... Look at that, like, pole area. That's quite... And it's like, look at this interesting ring. Look at this ring. You can just see it go all the way around the pole there. That's quite cool. Huh. I like that. That's a very interesting object. I'll save that, definitely. That's a really cool collection piece. Yeah, really, really cool. That is very unique. Alright, so there we go. Alright, next up we got the brown dwarf, I presume. Yep. I'm surprised no one's done any of the crazy banded planets as a brown dwarf yet. Maybe like a coloured one. That'd be quite cool. Oh, this looks like a Uranus sort of colour. Look at this. Is that a Venus-like object? Can I go on a realistic mode, please? There we go. That's looking quite cool. So... Wait, can I... Where's the cloud option? There we go. That is looking pretty cool. So it's a tinted planet as well. It's got a tinted cyan surface, as you can see, because the waters are darker blue as well. That is looking, the clouds look really nice on that. Look at that atmosphere. It's like a Uranus cyan there. That's looking really cool. Any more planets around here? I think it's just that cyan one. Yeah, that's really cool though. Alright, so there's the brown dwarf that's causing all the trouble. Alright, so next up we got this one. Well, this is a nice, interesting colour mix as well. Another banded gas giant. There's some really cool banded gas giants in these systems. It looks, Meta Cool Kid must really like these banded ones. And honestly, I don't blame him. These are really, really cool indeed. But yeah, there is that one. That's really nice. The amount of saves I'm making. Jeez. Alright, we've got another one of these coloured ones. Definitely already have a copy of this one. But yeah, that is still, nonetheless, it still looks amazing. I know we've seen it before, but yeah, that is really cool. So yeah, there's all of its moons. Damn, man, there's so many. Right, we've done that one. Oh no, we haven't done this one yet. So this is a bright sort of Venus lookalike there. And it's got a, like a dark, that's like a dark mossy green. I'm going to say that's a nice colour. I can modify that myself to make it look different. But that is a nice sort of Venus atmosphere colour we have going on here. What does it look like underneath? That's pretty basic. But yeah, that's a nice atmosphere colour. And then the parent planet, which is this one. So there we go. Ooh, that's looking really nice as well. Damn. See, that's very similar to my custom Venus, except it reflects quite a lot of light. Right, so we've done that one. We've done that one. We haven't done this one yet. So let's check this one out. Okay, more of a regular looking gas giant there. So it goes white, black, then a light yellow, and then a white again, or a silver. So there's that. A few more asteroids around it as well. Yeah, it's got some pretty interesting asteroids just chilling around here. Okay, here we've got a Titan atmosphere looking pretty interesting as well. So there it is there. Yeah, that's definitely a Titan underneath, or a Titan atmosphere. But yeah, that's looking really cool. So yeah, there we go. Nice. Alright, so where are we heading next? Okay, I think we've got this purple one actually. No, we haven't done this one. Okay, so this looks quite bland like Uranus as well, so there's that. It's like a darker sort of Uranus is what I'm getting from that. Then it's got a moon around it as well. Frozen ice world. Alright, now what's this purple one? Oh, it's this one again. Hey. Pretty good I did both of these in the same episode, because otherwise if I did this in a different episode, then it'd pretty much be, a lot of these would be the same objects. So yeah, pretty good we're doing it all in one video. That's a colonised tinted Pluto by the looks of it. Really, really cool indeed. So yeah, there it is there. So yeah, tinted blue Pluto colonised. Yeah, if you just change the atmosphere colour to like a white or a blue, it definitely look better. That's a little tip from me there. But yeah, the regular Pluto atmosphere, that boring dark brown atmosphere, that is, it doesn't go, honestly. It's the worst like atmosphere in the regular game without modding, if you ask me. So yeah, definitely a tip from me is to change that. Right, then we've got more. There's so many in here, jeez. Oh, this is an interesting one. Look at this. Wow, that is a very interesting. So it's got like a dark lime green, then like a very pale dark blue, and then more of the lime green again. That's an interesting gas giant combination of colours there. Then we have a colonised Mars, or it looks like a Mars, but it's not a Mars. Huh. It looks really like Mars. I'm guessing he redid the surface on this. That's cool. I like that. So this is a continental drift Mars, I guess. All the continents have moved and split up, but that's quite cool. I like that. So there's that one. Any more moons? Okay, no, there's asteroids. Alright, okay, next planet. Okay, we've seen this one as well already. So yeah, nice cyan and white one. Okay, there we go. Alright, so there are all of those. Alright. Got some cool rings around it. Let's actually check those out quickly. There's the rings. So it's a very thin sort of ring, as you can see there. Pretty cool though. I like that. So there is that one. Okay, next up we got this one over here. Oh, this is the crazy one again. Oh no, we already did this one, didn't we? Yeah, there's that one. That is crazy. So there we go. Right, is that all of them? I think that's all of them. Yeah, we've done that. We've done that one. Yeah, we've done that one. Done that one. Done that. Okay, I think we've done them all. Done that one. Done that one. Yeah, we've done all these. I think we've done them all. Alright, so yeah, there we go. That is it for that system as well. Really cool load of objects in here. Not as big as the other one, but still obviously a few returning faces from the other one as well with these banded ones. But yeah, that pretty cool system nonetheless with all of the modded objects. It's pretty much a completely modded system, all of these. Every single one is almost modded, apart from maybe this one. That's not modded, but yeah, pretty much almost every single object in here is modded, which is pretty cool. Wait, is there two of these? Wait, what's... Oh no, oh no, it looked quite similar to this one here. That one. It's just that one's got green on it as well. But yeah, there we go. So really interesting system. So yeah, my favourite one in here probably is this thing. I mean, this is crazy. Like, look at all those bands. That is absolutely mental how many are done there. That is awesome. So yeah, guys, let me know which system out of the two do you think is better. Do you think this system here, the Wasp 2134, was better, or do you think the previous one was better, which was the HD28 Wasp system? Which one do you think was better? Because it's pretty close, I think. There's a lot of really cool objects in here. A few returning faces like from previous systems. I know we've definitely seen this one before, and we've definitely seen that as well before. We've definitely seen these two before, but yeah, some really cool, interesting objects in here nonetheless. So yeah, massive thanks to MetaCoolKid for sending these in. And remember as well, if you want to send your own systems in and you've not done it before, join my Discord and then send them in there, because I have a channel for them where you can send your systems and share them with everyone. So yeah, definitely do that. Or you can just private message it to me if you don't want anyone else getting on it or getting it. But yeah, that is it, guys. So yeah, let me know what you thought down below, and make sure to subscribe if you're new. Helps on the journey to 6,000 subscribers, because we are getting really close to it now. Like, damn, it is absolutely crazy. We are getting really close to that, so a massive thank you as always as well. I know I say it a lot, but yeah, just a massive thank you. And yeah, let's see if we can go for 50 likes on this video as well, guys. But yeah, without I don't know, what am I saying? Yeah, without further ado, that is it for the end of the video. That is it for the video. God, I'm so bad at outros, aren't I? I'm not good at outros, sorry. But yeah, just massive thanks again. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you all have a great day, and goodbye.